Reppin' Samoa, bringing fire here, no one playing lame. Check out the squad, 21 players strong. Gonna break it down, gonna sing their song. Roger Curvas a shakes at #1. Brian to host tight, his octagons got fun. Yona Mariners on the crew. Muretalagi's moving, Blaise Talagi Serala's booming too. Hanome, Luai captains the ship. Francis Molo's tough drop, Tevagas got the grip. Payne at some point, J.M. Su was in the mix. Simi Sasaji's playing, Janio Paulo 6. Janio Paulo's co-captain 2. Leadership unlocked to a Samoa's crew. Interchange crews got some firepower too. Shinela Distavita Beneya Hayelu. Terrell Mayosh Papali breaking through. Extended bench cat, back up playing hard. That Mariota Atu Ululi Sati Clayton Fola Lolite and King Toja ain't leaving the yard. They got the pride of Samoa in their hearts. Family code dress for their brain parts. Every tackle's tough, every run's a test. To us, someone's got a skill, that speed, that best. They train hard, they play harder. Still to us, someone's on the field, that kill that war. With every pass, every hit, they're showing off. To us, Samoa's the names, they're rocking the quad. No got some side, they got that dry. To us, Samoa's on a mission. There's that guy in the sun, in the rain. They play the game to us, Samoa's pride. They win in the flame. So when everything blows and the game begins, to us, Samoa's on the pitch, they'll give it their wins. With strength and with speed, they'll take on the foe. To us, Samoa's a team, they'll make their win. Roga to Weavers, a shake to like and King Tujan. They got the power, they got the energy. Jaramoluai leads, Daniel Polo by his side. To a Samoa's team, they'll never be denied. The pros moan while they throw in the name. To a Samoa's in the game, that mean with them. Their hearts beat Samoa, their souls in the play. To a Samoa's the team, they'll give it there all day. So there you have it, to a Samoa's clean-ups tight. 21 players repping, playing with all their might. Roga to like and they bring in the heat. To a Samoa's in the game, can't be beat. To a Samoa, they on the move. They would most and they will love. They'll give it their all, yet play it all. To a Samoa's the team, they'll be the best friend.